Embark on a life of extraordinary adventure at York City, stellar abode in the heart of the picturesque city of York, poised to transform your stay into an unforgettable experience. Choose from an exquisite selection of studios, each promising unparalleled privacy. Enjoy the luxury of comfortable beds with sprung mattresses and fully fitted kitchens, perfect for channeling your inner Michelin star chef. But that's not all. Indulge in the luxurious amenities including a steam room and sauna, catch the latest movies in the cinema room, and elevate your academic game in the study room. Challenge your friends in the games room, stay in top shape with a complimentary gym, and breeze through daily chores with the convenient on-site laundry facilities. Conveniently located near the University of York and St. John University, achieving your academic goals has never been easier. For coffee lovers, Robinson's Cafe and the Pig and Pastry offer iconic brews, while Rice Style and Melton's Restaurant beckon with tantalizing cuisine. With various transportation options nearby, saving time and money is effortless. Don't wait any longer. Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your ideal stay at York City today.